मुझे लगता है कम रहेंगे क्या? Good evening to all of you. Is it audible and visible? And if there is some problem, please refresh your system. If any problem, then please refresh your system. I am fine, beta. I think all of you must be fine and as well as enjoying your life. Good evening to all of you. Now, today that we have to start with the information and communication technology. Information and communication technology. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you also. There is a great story behind Raksha Bandhan and all during our national movement, and it is one of the symbol of nationalism during the I said boycott resolution in 1905 Swadeshi movement also. During the Mughal period, there was also an issue of the Raksha Bandhan was playing an important role, and still it is playing an important role in I said that making a better social relation. So, there is a lot to say about Raksha Bandhan, but now we will have to move towards I said information and communication technology. Just wait and watch and listen me carefully and make your notes better. Slowly and slowly start correlating each and everything, and it will take around 4 to 5 days. It will take to finish, and thereafter you start understanding so many things which is happening around you, and you are connected with. Now you are listening me also. It is also that I am the place where there is some information is there, and that this information it is being uploaded in our I said that particular system, and that is through some software, and thereafter this software, this information, the software helps this information to make through some path it is able to reach to you. So there is an I said that one side is information, and those I said that another side is also I said if I will be able to say that it is you are receiver, and here it is the sender, and sender can be an I said that one kind of I said that web server. Sender is a kind of web server, and you are a kind of web browser. You are browsing at some places, you are going to some place from where you want to take an information, means here the information is able to go, and when you know that when you are watching me, at the same time this information comes to the institution, yes, you are watching. Means from here that information goes to you and you are watching this class, at the same time the information comes to me, yes, you are watching the class. It means if you are watching the class, then you become sender to the software which is available here. Now you become sender and here it is becoming receiver. Means this is the way communication take place. Communication. This is the way communication is taking place. From the one side it is, I said that sender, the receiver, and you have gone to the app of, I said that ALS. This is one of the software, and the software is sending you information. When you are opening it, you started seeing the information, but you started seeing the information, how we come to know, then it means automatically one thing will be get generated and it will be sent to you, yes, I have got. Means you have been able to, you are able to see that it is confirmation comes to our app. So this is the way communication, the communication is a path. Communication is the path. Here it is, I said that there is a role of software and transferring the data. And here you are also, the other side you are also, and I said that there is in your phone or anything, there is a software. And when you are watching it, it means you are also transferring that data, yes, I am watching it to us. We are getting it idea that you are watching for this much of hours, something like this. It is, I said that again you are transferring. But in between there is a path that is known as internet, and it is, I said that networking. So I said that this is the way there is an information and communication used to take place, that we have to understand in the next coming 5 days in a small bits, in small bits. I said that information and communication technology, I simply said that there is one software, and here it is, I said that better to say in the several way applications. And here it is, I said that transferring, and here it goes, and that is in your hand also. There is I said there is one, I said laptop, maybe a mobile phone, whatever it is. I said that, and then you are watching it, it means you are transferring, and you are also transferring, and in between this is the path, and this path is considered as an internet and networking. Probably you are watching through Airtel network, you can be able to see through the any other type of, I said that networking. I said that this is the one thing that you can be able to see. There are the several ways, there are several ideas are there. I want to say only one is sender, another is receiver. In between, the sender is sending the information, you are getting the information. Now you are sending the information that you are watching, and it is coming to us. So the information is there, and another it is, I said that communication is taking place in between. So this is the era of information. This is the era of information which is moving through some signals. So perhaps information and communication is very much important, and in the science and tech it is also very much important topic, information and communication. The signal which moves, and please listen me carefully, try to understand, ask the question at the end, and most probably you can be able to understand. The signal is the what? The way or wave through which information moves. Clear? And thereafter how it works, whether you are storing and what you are doing, that is, I said that signal is there. And we can be able to see that the signal are of two types. Analog signal and another it is digital signal. And don't try to go into in the deep of it, otherwise you know that in the engineering analog and digital signal is one of the course itself. Don't enter in the two. It will be better to understand in a simplest form where you can write in a better answer in your mains and where you can be able to understand which can be the better option. So, you have to increase your logic instead of becoming the engineer. Okay. So, I said that there is another, it is an analog signal and another is a digital. Two types of signals are there. It is in the form of wave, or it can be, I said that through which information moves in between the two positions or many positions. I said that if I am talking about analog signal, another I said that it is a digital signal. Analog signal and digital signal, they are the two types it is able to, you can be able to see. Like analog signal, it is moving in the form of sine waves, and if I am talking about, this is the time graph and this is the value graph. Just enjoy this. Means if it has been asked in the prelims examination and you can connect in the mains examination. If I said that how do the information has been sent in a local area network, or in I said that wide area network, then you can be able to, if you are understanding this one, then you can be able to utilize this idea. And but don't try to understand like an engineer that in the future you have to become. Okay, I will try my best to understand those, even the good engineers are not knowing, but even then I will try my best to make you to understand in a very simplistic manner. And suppose this value is, I said that it is 0 and up to this is 5 value. And I can say like here it is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, then 0, then I said that minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. So, here it is, I said that the signal which is moving, it is moving continuously. The analog signal is continuous movement, continuous movement, but with respect to time it is varying. Somewhere it is becoming, I said that 1, somewhere it is becoming 2, somewhere it is becoming 5, somewhere it is becoming 3, somewhere it is becoming 1, then minus 1, like this it is in a continuous but varying. Continuous, but it is, I said that it is what? Continuous movement but varying. Varying movement, analog signal, continuous but varying with respect to time. With respect to time it varies. If it has been said that between 0 to 5, if there is a volt, V-O-L-T, volt, current it is moving in the voltage difference of 5 volt, means I said that if the current is moving through the wire or through the some way, then it is, I said that it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, anything like this. It can be any value. Understood? It is in a continuous movement and varying with respect to time. So, the any physical quantity value, any physical value, that is 5 or 1 or volts if I am measuring. So, any physical value which is continuously moving but varying with respect to time, any physical quantity which is continuously moving but varying with respect to time, then if I am talking about with respect to time, it should vary. Any signal, कोई भी signal जब maybe through the wire you are sending some signal, through the wire you are sending some signal. if the signal is moving inside the wire, I said that it is carrying suppose 3 volt, it is carrying the 3 volt, then possibly what happened, there is an electromagnetic interference, and due to the heating or some kind of atomic, which may, when the current is moving in the wire, so the atoms in the wire, copper wire suppose, then what happened, then atoms will collide with each other, that much you try to understand, don't. When they collide with each other, then the possibility is there, then the variation in the volt can be there, maybe a 3 volt is there, variation has been happened, taken place 0.5, so it is 3.5 volt. So I said that in the analog, if it is moving, analog signal can vary with respect to time. It is not necessary if I have sent 3 volt, possibly you can get 2.5 volt. So if I am talking about, if I am sending some signal, then possibly you can be able to get the signal of little bit variable, because this signal varies with respect to time. So one idea that if we have been able to see, if I am talking about analog digital signal, it is, I said that whatever you are watching on your, I said that if you are watching me and my information, I said that this is the sound waves, it is coming out, listen me carefully. This is the sound wave, can you say that Pankaj sir sometimes used to say, sir please I am not able to listen, sometimes you say na, sir Pankaj sir I am not able to listen, please little louder. What does it mean? Sometimes my voice is low, sometimes my voice is high. So slowly and slowly you have seen that my voice become little high when I proceed along with the class. So the voice, if it is coming out, the radio noise, radio that you are signal, radio, if you are listening the sound of radio, if you are listening the TV sound, you can vary the sound, yes or not. But in case of digital, it will be always, it will be fixed, there is no variation, there is no variation. If the signal has been sent 3 volt, then it will go 3 volt, it cannot accept 3.5 volt, it will return it back, the signal cannot be. So sound waves and all these are, I said that it is sound waves, it is an example of, I said that analog signal, clear. And when I am saying that it is being recorded in the particular chip, it is being recorded in the software of the computer, and when it has been recorded that, and it has been converted into digital signal, the two things has been recorded. One, it is, I said that audio signal, and I said that our picture, this I said that video, this video and audio, which is, I said that analog, it is there and it is coming, and in the wire it has come, and then it is in the computer, it has been converted into 01, 01, 01, that it is in the form of binary data, that is known as bits. So whatever you are at your side, from here the software has converted into, your analog signal has been converted into digital signal, and now it has been able to reach to your laptop, your mobile, and you are able to listen me and you are able to watch me, but at the back of this laptop or your I said that mobile, that signal is digital signal. But when it is coming out of your phone and those voice is coming and you are able to listen me, that is an analog signal. Getting my point? The digital signal